Hey dolls, so I am back. So I'm coming to tell you dolls about a huge sale that is going to be going on DHgate. I know you dolls love shopping on DHgate, and they have so many amazing deals and different kind of stuff that we love. Clothes, bags, shoes, jewelry, all kinds of different stuff. Anything you could be looking for, they have it on DHgate. So let me just tell y'all about this sale and let's get into the video. Okay, dolls, so I pulled up all of my notes here because it's a lot of info about the sale. Okay, I also did get a product to show you from the website just so you can see a sample of something that they do offer on the website. They're going to have high discount coupons available, and the fastest is 3-day delivery on the best-selling products. So some items you will be able to get shipped to you faster. This is their 17th anniversary sale. Like I was saying, this is the 17th anniversary sale. And with the sale, they do have different codes that you can use to get a certain amount of money off if you spend a certain amount. So if you spend $99, you could get $6 off. You could get $19 off of $249. You can get $59 off of $5.99 and up for each different tier. You know, the more you spend, the more money you can get off. And also do have a free prize draw where you could win an iPhone 12 Pro for free. You have 2 chances to play per day, where you could win the phone, or you could also win DHgate coins and big discount coupons. So other little things to get some money off and stuff like that as well. The sale starts on August 24th, 2021 at 12 a.m. Pacific time. And the sale will end on August 31st at 11:59 Pacific time, 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So the sale is for 8 days. So some other codes that you can use for money off as well if you don't even spend as much. So if you just spend $19, you could get $4 off. I will have all of these codes listed down below for y'all. If you spend $39, you could get $8 off. If you spend $59, you could get $10 off. If you spend $100 or $99, you could get $15 off as well. So they have a lot of really good deals. I will pop on the screen where you can see like the anniversary sale page, and you can kind of see how it looks. It just tells you that it's the 17th anniversary sale, and then you can see some of those codes that you can click. Like I was telling you, if you spend a certain amount, you can get whatever amount off. So a little drawing where you can spin it and you can win different prizes as well. So they have a lot of different sales and deals that you can get. So I'm going to show you dolls what I actually got from them. So they do sell all kinds of stuff, but I just got a bracelet, and I also had picked some shoes as well, but they're not going to come in time for me to show you in the video and tell you about the sale. The sale will already be started by the time my shoes actually come. So this is the only item that actually did come in. And as you can see, it came with a little box, which is super cute. And this is a dupe item. So they do have dupes on the website. They have all kinds of stuff that you can check out. So this is the actual box that it came in as well. Really, really nice. And it also did come with a dust bag also. And then the item did come in a plastic bag just to keep it safe. But this is basically just a little bracelet. And I love doing arm candy and like stacking up my bracelets and stuff lately. So I just thought that this would be cute to add to my collection of other bracelets. I'm sorry I didn't put my jewelry on for this video to show y'all like all of my other stuff that I got, but yeah, it just has some plastic on it right now. But this is the actual bracelet that I got. I picked the one that had like the little lock closure, and you would just press these, I think. So now I have it open, and it has kind of like a 2-rope kind of detail. I really need some help to fasten this. So this is how the bracelet would look. I don't have it actually closed, but I've been sitting here struggling with it, and it's hard for me to do on my own. But it's super, super cute. and it will be really cute stacked up with other bracelets and things like that as well. So they have all kinds of stuff on the website. They have bags, they have shoes, they have clothing, jewelry. They even have a lot of other miscellaneous items as well. Anything you could be looking for. They have kids items, adults, men's, women's, teens, whatever you could think of, they have it on the website. It's very similar to like AliExpress or eBay and stuff like that, or even Amazon, because they sell so much different stuff. The only difference is some stuff does take longer to come in the mail because it usually ships all the way from China. So yeah, definitely check out the sale. I will have all of the discount codes listed down below and everything like that. If you guys are interested in checking out the sale, definitely just go browse and see if there's something on there that you would like to get, because now is the perfect time to go ahead and pick it up so that you can get that discount. If you have been eyeing something and kind of like, I want to get this, but I don't want to spend this much, this is the perfect time to go ahead and pick it up, because you're going to get a discount on whatever it is that you were looking at getting. So yeah, if you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.